Your pum pum look
My
like
mom
it
is
stink.
single. If you want to
Your
meet
pum
her,
pum
she
look
is
like it
single.
stink, my youth.
No.
Can't be saying that to women. What are we doing?
What?
Me can't say that to women. Me can't say that to women.
Pick up your...
Hey, yo, what up, bro? This your DoorDash, man. I just got this notification that said you said you ain't get your food, bro. I just dropped it up at your door. What's up? Hey, yo, I was thinking, since, like, you just made me lose my job over a $5 sandwich, that I could just stay here with you. You know, I got some more bags in the car, so you can help me out with that. Like, that'd be cool. Yo, bro, you get me tight, bro. What's taking so long? Open up the door, man.
Why for that? But listen, over here, sir, people do this, definitely. What they do is they order food from DoorDash, and then once they get the food delivered, they just say put in a report say they don't get the food, so they can either get back one refund or they can send them one next food. Not to say I did it. I haven't done that.
Stop the cap.
You know, some more time I have to remind myself I'm living in a whole different country with a whole different background. So imagine me I walk go on my car and one next soldier in front of me I walk go a film car. See? Me not pay attention to him and I'm only hear him turn around and say this. Hey Cole, I want to sit on your hood.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
Why?
Me frightened when him say it, you know. Me frightened you fuck. So I say, what you say? And then proceed to say it again. Oh yeah, I want to sit on your hood. So I know with my ignorance and me so lost with the word, me never realized so yo at the front of the car I'm talk about what we call the bonnet. So I say, oh.
You stupid.
Me didn't know what you in the talk about, brother.
Yeah, but you still can't sit down on my bonnet. Don't say that again. You're low.
Me not really care what you want to try to say or what you really mean. Whatever it is, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do nothing like that. You can't do nothing that involve anything of that sort. You can't do nothing.
Hey, that was a good move. I told you, man, I'm the king of this game. Hey, I can't argue with you. You are the best. Yo, if me get a 6, everything dead, you know? Yeah, you're not gonna get a 6. What I say? Hey, good shit. Move your blood clot and go suck out your girl nasty sour pussy. I am a dead fish. Me a murder every last one of a bumbo clot in this blood clot.
He not lie, no.
Nastiness.
He not lie, brother.
Down your yard too. All the dog I got dead too. Watch this. Who that? Who this? Yeah, that's my player. Take it up, batty boy. That dead like your mother front.
Hello, Stacy. Unfortunately, I have to call out from work today. I am under the weather. I am sorry about giving you the short notice. I do plan on coming back into the office tomorrow. If anything changes, I'll be sure to give you a phone call. Have a good day.
Dirty bumper clock, sour front girl, seriously. Me I call out from work today cause me say me tired like dog. Oh now what me like bumper clock, dog. After me get paid, me look at 1100 every 2 weeks, me have dry shit on my body wall. All I'm gonna suck up me what's it clot. Especially your dirty bumper clock girl, Stacey. Your front stink like lobster.
What is What is this? Yo, when my voice record for send message, you know, man, me hate me, you know, so me hate hear myself. Me not like hear myself, you know, me not lie. Me don't like hear myself, dog. Me don't know why. Me not like hear me own a voice. And that, you know, me not like hear me own a voice. See, like, oh, me go have to edit this, you know, and all sort of thing. Me not like hear me own a voice. Me not want to hear it. Me wish me could have just record it and just post as is, but me need to cut it. Because, you know, people attention span short today because of TikTok and all them shorts video.
Suck your mama, pussy stink, girl. Your pum pum look
My
like
mom
it stink.
is single. If you want to meet
pum
her,
pum
she
look
is
like it
single.
stink, my youth.
No.
You can't be saying that to women. What are we doing?
What?
Me can't say that to women. Me can't say that to women.
Pick up your camera and smash it on the floor, you know.
I mean, me is a bad man, you know. Me come from Kingston. Go suck your mama.
Man, bro. You're so...
Suck your mama.
You think you're Bob Marley, bro? You ain't no bad man.
Yo, my aunt's bisexual, you know, so don't touch me.
The man say he hands bisexual. Me done.
What you say about Bob Marley?
But your t-shirt say you're Bob Marley. You ain't no Bob Marley.
Yo, don't want disrespect Bob Marley like that, you know.
Listen, brother.
Don't do it.
Don't worry. Listen, don't worry about a thing. Don't want me to sort you out.
Yo, alright.
Step back. You ain't gonna talk to her like that.
Taxi driver.
What's up?
Yo, I'm a last.
Listen.
I'm a last. I tell you.
Pretty good.
Listen,
Don't
listen to
disrespect
me.
bad man like
Listen.
I want
Bro,
to
you ain't
cry
gonna
my youth.
disrespect her.
I don't
You
know.
understand?
See, me personally, I want to take that.
that. You can suck her mama and she can bounce pon cocky. What you do about it?
Listen. You ain't gonna say that.
I
to
would
her.
bomb my clock.
Yeah.
Yo, yo.
Yeah. What is that? Come here. Yeah.
What's wrong with you? What's up, your mama? Why you?
Eh.
What?
I would have this a Captain Saver over here. Knock him out, man. I mean.
How may I help you? How may I help you?
Oh yes, I think I'm gonna do y'all general chicken with rice,
Okay.
and I'm gonna get an egg roll with it.
It come with Edwa. It come with Edwa.
Huh?
It come with Edwa. It come with Edwa. Edwa.
Okay.
General chicken Edwa. I am high. General chicken Edwa. I guess oh yeah. I guess what you 812 so that'll be 812. General chicken Edwa. Man, what's it? Yo, here.
What did they my man there, dog? Yo.
What do you call a person from Barbados?
Come again.
A person from Jamaica is called a Jamaican. What do you call a person from Barbados?
We don't call him again. A Guyanese. Yeah.
You want to try again? A person from Jamaica, right? It's a Jamaican.
Yeah.
What do you call a person from Barbados?
Him done Jamaican already. So
What?
I'm just going to go change the accent.
Oh.
So a person born in Barbados is called a?
Jamaican.
Oh.
So they're still a Jamaican.
Yeah. Can go over there and just the accent alone.
Change up.
Change up.
All right.
You know some shame.
Yo.
Jamaicans every time them ask for something.
Brother, me not just give salt this morning. No man, me not bother you again, man. I just look salt. Me just want to look for train and pot. Charge it.
You go forward back again, man. They always do.
So much you want me give you, sir. Bro, I just little dust sweetening pot, man. No, brother, you get all tissue and soap and something this man in 2 years. Me not have nothing more for you.
Are someone sitting here yet?
Yeah, brother, me not have nothing more, brother. What me get? Cool, man, I'm going back here, charge it. Nah, give me. Thing.
Alright, I see him saying go on now. Watch out now.
Some boy a pussy, them a pussy. You a real lie. Sell out them friends really come.
It can't further from the truth, brother. My youth. Somebody ask you for sitting. Zane. 1 or 2 times. You say, cool. Can get it. You give them. And then they want something else. And then now you really tell them, say, yo, you can't get them. I don't have it. You can't get it. You see me? You know what they say?
You really think I say I move, dog? Yes, I get it. Alright. Everything cool, man.
Man, them hold a grudge, you know. Until the next time they see you, you know, man.
Money, don't believe a real lie. Some boy a pussy.
So boy, a pussy.
Them a pussy in a real lie. Dog a be them feel like. This life it and a joke.